Lesson 17 is two-step equations word problems. Tony's cell phone plan costs $39 per month. Text messages cost an additional 15 cents each. If Tony's cell phone bill last month totaled $55.05, write and solve an equation to determine how many texts he sent. Well, what are we trying to find and what do we know? How many texts were sent? So let X equal how many texts? Now, the one thing that we should always do here is set up a know and a find chart. Okay, what do we know and what do we need to find? We know that the plan costs $39 per month. We also know that the text messages are an additional 15 cents per month. We also know that the total bill is $50.05 total. We need to find how many texts were sent. Now this, ladies and gentlemen, is normally our X value. And we can normally use our let statement from here. Our equation is from here though, okay? Well, if it's $39 per month, it's an additional 15 cents per month. These are our texts. Multiply by how many we have. So we have 0.15 X plus our $39 per month, and our bill totaled $55.05. So that is our equation. Now we just need to solve it. So we have 0.15x plus 39 equals 55.05. So subtracting 39 from each side, we have 0.15x equaling 1605. Then we divide both sides by 0.15. And X is going to equal 107 texts. Now to check our work, we have 0.15x plus 39 equals 55.05. We replace the 0.15 and the 107 plus 39, 0.05. So here we multiply this together, we get 16.05 plus 39 equals 55.05. So total, this equals 55.05 equals 55.05. And it checks. So the next question is we have our Oceanside Bike Shop rental shop charges $12 plus. No, let me fix this. $8 an hour for renting a bike. Mary paid $44 to rent a bike. How many hours did she pay to have the bike checked out? Well, if we work with our no find chart, what do we know? Well, we know that it costs $12, that they charge $12. We also know that it's $8 an hour. Hour to rent it. We also know she paid $44 to rent the bike. So that was total. And we need to know how many hours, so we need to find how many hours she paid for. So let X equal how many hours? Well, we know she was charged 12 hours plus $8 for every single hour. So for every hour, she was charged $8. So 8 times X, and then would equal, she paid a total of $44. So now, when we go to work that out, we have 12 plus 8X equals 44. So here we're going to subtract 12 from both sides. And we have 8X equals 32. Dividing both sides by 8. We have X equals 4 hours. So to check our answer, we have 12 plus 8X equals 44. We have 12 plus 8 times 4 equals 44. So 12 plus 32 equals 44. And 44 equals 44. And it checks. Our last question. Tanya had her birthday party at the movies. It cost $27 for pizza and $8.50 per friend for the movie tickets. How many friends did Tanya have at her party if she spent $78? Well, in our T chart, here's our no. Here's our find. Well, we know it costs $27 for pizza. We also know it's $8.50 for each friend. And she spent, her total, And we want to know how many friends did she have. So now, if she had $27 for pizza, plus $8, oh, sorry, let statement, let X equal how many friends? So $8.50 for each friend, and she spent $78. So we have 27 plus 850 equals 78. So subtracting 27 from each side. Oops, sorry, I forgot to put my X in there. So we have 850 X equals 51. And dividing both sides by 850. X equals 6 friends. So now to check it, we have 27 plus 850. X equals 778. 27 plus 850 times 6 equals 78. And then 27 plus, 51 equals 78. 78 equals 78. And it checks. And that ends our lesson.